Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Mahdi and in this session I want to teach you how to shade the texts in CSS. Be with me. For example, I write a text inside h1 tag. Okay, h1 opening and closing slash. And for example, I write a text in here, session 10. I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. Okay, well, now we want to give a shadow to this post. To do this, I first write the style tag, and I write style tag in head tag. Style, opening and closing with a slash. And first I write the name tag, that's h1, and I open this style with this symbol and I close this with this symbol. Okay, and inside this style I write text shadow tag to shade the text. Text dash shadow, and I open this tag and I close this. Okay, this tag takes 4 values from us. The first value is the amount of horizontal shadow, and this value is written in px. For example, I write 6 px and I click on space for separate these values. The second value is the amount of vertical shadow, and this value is written in px2. For example, 5 px, and I click on space 2. The third value is the scatter rate of this shadow, and for example I write 4 px and I click on space. The next of these values is color. For example, I write red, and I can set color to RGB. I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. For example, I change my scatter rate, for example 10 px. Refresh this page. Now my shadow has changed. Okay, for example, we want a few shadows around our text. To do this, just repeat the values I said and separate them with comma. For example, I write comma and I click on space. For example, 10 px and I write this, and 10 px 2, and I write a color, for example green. Okay, I save it. I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work, and we can use comma for separate these values. And You can use text shadow for your text. This session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button. Goodbye.